Damon Amendola.
Do you get into bed and find your mind still going? If so, try ZQL Pure Z's liquid melatonin. It's made with an optimal level of melatonin for no next day grogginess. Pure Z's liquid melatonin, because sleep is a beautiful thing at stores now.
So are you the type of guy that wants to look put together, but doesn't want to spend hours shopping? I hear you. This is why there's Stitch Fix, your personal styling service that delivers hand-picked clothes right to you. Stitch Fix is simple and convenient. Sign up in just a few minutes. Try new styles in the comfort of your own home, and there's no subscription required ever. So, isn't it time to refresh your look? Get started today at StitchFix.com. Stitch Fix. Personal styling for everybody.
Guys, are you ready for a big night? Score from Force Factor helps ignite desire, maximize physical response, and extend pleasure by increasing blood flow when and where you need it most. Unleash your potential in the bedroom with Score. Now available at Walmart.
Sponsored by NutriClick. It may not be stomach issues.
For me, it's intense gas, or pain, or diarrhea, sometimes all at once, over and over.
I spent years with the symptoms, but could never figure it out.
No matter what I did, they never went away. So I decided to break it down for my doctor and get really specific about my symptoms.
We discovered that exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, or EPI, may be the reason for my stomach issues.
EPI is caused by my pancreas. It leads to diarrhea, gas, bloating, stomach pain, unexplained weight loss, and oily stools. The symptoms just don't go away.
But EPI can show up with even one symptom.
The good news? EPI is manageable.
But to get to the right diagnosis, you have to break it down for your doctor and get specific about the severity of your symptoms.
Visit identifyepi.com to learn more and use the symptom checker to help change the conversation with your doctor. Brought to you by AbbVie.
Join us every Sunday at 8 a.m. for Silver and Black Today, only on CBS Sports Radio 1140.
Sports Radio's toll-free line here on Patriot Series, 1-855-212-4227. Sponsored by Geico. Whether you own or rent, Geico makes it easy to bundle home and auto insurance. Having a home is hard work. Get a quote. Go to geico.com. Easy. By the way, inbounds, out of bounds coming up next segment. Let's see what is on the menu. A little something here on Greg Olson. A little something, Jay Wright leaving Villanova. Not for the Knicks, for a different team. We'll get to that. A little something on the Basketball Hall of Fame pertaining to Chris Bosh. All right, so we'll get to that as well coming up next year. And by the way, you know, we have all these TVs in the studio. I can't wait for this fight this weekend.
Yeah.
For this
Tyson Fury and
Deontay Wilder fight's going to be phenomenal.
Is that him on right now?
Yeah, he's on right now.
Yeah. You were out one day, and I had Tyson Fury on.
Yep.
And, you know, it started to be like a fighting conversation. Hey, how'd you get up off the mat? You know, because Deontay Wilder, chucked him, dude. I thought, he went hard. Like, he didn't even flinch. He didn't gather himself. He hit the pavement, or the ring. The canvas, just like flat.
Yeah.
Like he was knocked out cold.
Right near the rope.
He got up.
Right. It almost looked fake.
He got up.
Exactly. Like orchestrated.
But the conversation, like, it evolved into this, like, story about his life and, like, his mental health challenges that he faced, and it was
interesting. Both of those guys are
so
interesting.
Unbelievable, this conversation that I didn't expect with Tyson Fury. So in some ways, you want to root for him.
I like them both. That's right.
You're right. And Deontay Wilder's story is unbelievable with his daughter who had special needs, and when we met him, and I met him down in Alabama because Culture City, the autism organization I work with, gave him an award. And he's just